to Encore29, and the screen is black, but you know it's running on the inside. Let me show you what to do about it. First thing you're gonna do is loosen these screws. Pull the back off. So you have a failed motherboard. This is your motherboard up top. We're gonna put a new one on. They are now red. And this is what they look like now. That is old school. That is new. You got your two screws out. You're just gonna slide it out. But you're gonna have to loosen. You're gonna take that one off. See if I can get it better. You're gonna have to take that one off. And that one back there. That one is not easy. You've got a bunch of wires, and you can bend your prongs very, very easy on that one. You can bend those very, very easy, so you gotta be very gentle when you put it in. A couple weeks ago on this machine, we had where the grinder wasn't working. There's a fuse right here. Replace your fuse. I think it says it on there. Yeah, okay. 15 amp. So you just replace that, your grinder starts working. Now we're just gonna try to slide it out after you got everything unhooked. And there is the old motherboard. Now we're gonna install the new one. These new red ones, you're gonna have a new power adapter for this. On the old one, you had this guy, but we're not going to use this guy. We're going to connect the black one over here, the red one over here, which will power this. Also going to remove the antennas from this little block here, because we're not going to use this anymore. We are going to use two new antennas here. I went ahead and put my antennas on first, and I wrapped them around that so I could slide it in here easier. I'll be back in there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my screws in so it doesn't move around on me a lot. That one and that one. All right, everybody, I got that one hooked up. It runs up here. Black on the left, red on the right. These two will be empty when you pull off the green board. If you have a red board, just go ahead and do the exact same as the other. Those right there are not easy to put on. You don't have any space, and you will bend the prongs in there. If you don't set it just right, you will bend the prongs, and you have to get a new board. So you don't need this one anymore. This is for the old card on the old board. So you can just leave that in there. And you don't need this one anymore because this is the new power that we hooked up here. So you're gonna have this extra, and you'll have that extra. The card is built into the machine already. Sorry about that. The card is built into the new motherboard already. As the USBs goes, it doesn't matter which one goes to which USB port. Just because I like color coordination, I'm going to go white to white and then black to black. So after you got it all hooked up, I'm going to turn it on and we'll see how it goes. And now we have a working screen. Let's go ahead and go through the steps here. And make sure, we'll test everything and make sure it's working.
What?
We're back. Let's go ahead and close up the back. There we go. And that is how you replace the motherboard on an Encore29. So you put your antenna back on, got your wire hookup, power's on.